What's up, guys? We just made it Steamboat. It was snowing the whole way in, man. Tomorrow looks like a nice powder day.
Yeah, for sure. Looks like it's gonna be some good snowboarding, baby.
We just arrived at the Holiday Inn.
We've been here before. We're not first timers at
No,
this place.
and no, we're not staying here. We're just gonna use their hot tub. We're gonna sneak in and use the utilities, man. All right, we're making our moves to get in here. I'm just gonna walk in like this through the front door because we can't get in because they're locked because it's a hotel, you know. But hopefully it works. I mean, last time the door wasn't even locked, but if so, I can just knock on the door. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change first. Hunter, your stuff that way. See, that almost unlocked. Hopefully the cameras, because it's suspicious. Yeah, we'll see you when we get inside. We've made it inside. Keep a low profile though. Just walking through the halls, you know. Just a normal little hotel, but this is nice because they have a indoor hot tub and an outdoor one, which is sick because when it's outdoors, you don't get hot, you know, you can stay in there, drink a couple brews, pretty fun stuff. So we'll see if we can't get in here without anyone wondering what we're doing. We made it to the hot tub. This one has an outdoor one. It's sick. So me and Luke have just been chilling there, and no one's really on to us right now. It's kind of sick. What do you got to say, Luke?
Not much. Just enjoying the nice amenities here, I guess, if that's what you call it. For free.
Yeah, it's sick. If you're ever just camping in your truck or van, try to get into a hotel hot tub. This one it's got a shower in it too, the bathroom does, so we need to utilize that too. Maybe, just maybe.
We're gonna try and get first chair tomorrow. Bring you guys some nice quality videos of some runs and some action. Hopefully we can make it good with some decent editing. Yeah, it's gonna be a great time. Steamboat, baby.
Awesome. Here we are. Here's the restroom in here. It's got a shower, soap already, you know, definitely utilizing that. So heck yeah. We just finished showering. We're gonna head to the truck now, so we'll see you tomorrow for some Steamboat action. Here we are out of the truck today. I mean, it's been snowing all night. It was snowing even on our way in about 3 o'clock yesterday, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be some good snow. Luke just finished wiping off the truck. How much snow you think we got?
Looks like quite a bit, so I don't know. What, 4 or 5 inches? What do you think?
I'd say so, yeah. It's gonna be some good snowboarding. Other than we didn't get that good stuff yet because Summit County doesn't really have that much snow besides Vail. So it's gonna be a good day.
We're here with Luke Coffee Preps, as you've seen in previous videos. Just making up the daily brew, baby. That's all there is to it. Without freezing your butt off. That's kind of the key, since it's like 11 degrees right now. So that's kind of the key, baby. Getting some of this good stuff going today. market or some shit.
So what's happening here?
We're pressing coffee through the filter, and we're getting fresh coffee out of it.
You don't like Dodge?
Do not.
What's the best truck brand?
The FORDs, baby.
That's Ford if you can't spell.
It is 8:12. We are headed to the free parking lot at Steamboat. Fixing to pull this bad boy out of here and get dressed and get on hill. What do you say about that,
yeah,
Jake?
we gotta be first chair.
Yep,
you know?
It's still coming down, so that's good stuff. We are having to put her in 4-wheel drive to get around this place, but that's not really an issue for a nice old truck like the F-150. Some of these poor old Volvos are having some issues, but not us. So we'll see you out on hill. What's happening? Getting the boots on slowly but surely. It appears we actually got 11 inches overnight. A lot more than my estimated 4, so it's gonna be a great day today.
I'm ready to roll. It's already a line for the bus here, so we gotta go move on so we can get on that chair, baby. Get some backcountry footage for y'all.
Hey, Christmas Eve powder day. It appears everyone else had the same idea of getting out here and enjoying the snow because there's a ton of people. So, I mean, it's 8:45 and there's a jillion people here, so, you know, can't win them all. We thought we were early, but apparently not. So.
Here we are, Papa out of luck. Strapped in, and it's gonna be some good rock out. It's gonna be real nice.
That's right, baby. Time to go.
There you go.
So we made it to the top of East Face along with 1,000 other people back there. We did laugh them, you know. We're in pretty good shape, especially for some flatlanders, baby.
Yeah, sea level ain't shit when we climb up here in the mountains, baby. Hell yeah.
Yep, hopefully. Looks like we're gonna get some great untouched lines. We definitely should have waxed, but we are probably gonna get stuck, maybe in some tree wells, and hopefully you guys are gonna be along to see it, baby.
Right on, baby, let's go. that was crazy. I didn't.
We just hiked some steep action with some nice knee-high pow. It was a workout, to tell you the least. We kind of got caught at the bottom, having to pull quite a bit. It low-key kind of sucked, so it was good stuff though.
And we'll see what can't get into now.
It's about midday. Taking the new gondola up. It's been pretty badass conditions all day. I'm worked. Didn't get out the paddleboard today, so been doing a whole lot of leaning back. What do you got to say to the cam, Jake?
Oh, we made the right choice coming here. I was just looking. It looks like Summit County. Most they got was 4.
Yeah, so
we got about a foot and a half almost here.
You click on the game you want.
But we only got 2 more days left here, so
yeah, we need to get some better footage for sure. So
hopefully we got some good footage. I'm not sure because it was on my dome piece, you know, so can't really look.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, though.